I'm using the finished file from the previous module where I have two sheets, sales data, where I have the sales data table, and I have the pivot tables worksheet that shows 4 pivot tables created with a Copilot prompt. I will send another prompt to Copilot asking it to create a dashboard. I write my prompt in the Copilot pane and I send it. My prompt reads, in a new sheet named Dashboard, create cards and charts. I requested 4 cards to be created by formulas, and I requested 4 charts linked to the 4 pivot tables. And Copilot starts processing my request. It already inserted a new worksheet and named it Dashboard. Four cards created by using functions. And now Copilot created my entire dashboard. Revenue by product in a column chart, revenue by region in a donut chart, month revenue trends in a line chart, and on a bar chart, the revenue by manager. I can improve the appearance of all these charts by using manual formatting for each one of them. I can ask Copilot one final thing, to hide all field buttons on all charts. I send the prompt, and all the field buttons are now hidden, and my dashboard is created.